Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix unable to join the network on Wi-Fi. For example, if you want to join any Wi-Fi and after that if you enter a password which is correct and after entering the correct password you are unable to join the network. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all make sure that your Wi-Fi router is working correctly. So what you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do, you have to simply check whether your Wi-Fi is working correctly and it is turned on. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open that network, and you have to simply go to Wi-Fi settings. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply click on that I button on that website on that Wi-Fi, and here you have to simply click on forget this network. And after forgetting the network, you have to simply go back and you have to join the network again. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone again, and this time you have to simply click on reset all settings. And after resetting all of your settings, you have to simply go back, and this time you have to simply open the Wi-Fi again, and you have to simply open the Wi-Fi settings again. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply click on edit, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check which of the networks are available on your iPhone. So if you want to join that network, you have to first of all remove that network from that list here, and after that you have to simply search for that network again. You can simply join the network again. If the problem is still there, then you can simply contact the Apple support and solve the problem for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.